The all-new Tremec T56 Magnum is a high-performance 6-speed manual transmission unlike anything else ever before seen in the automotive aftermarket. Combining the best of Tremec's current OEM technologies with the most popular features of the legendary TKO, the T56 Magnum offers unrivaled strength and flexibility in a smooth, unbelievably refined package. Known in its OE form as the TR6060, the T56 Magnum benefits from the same technology found in many of today's hottest OEM supercars, including the Z06 Corvette, SRT10 Viper, Cadillac CTS-V, and Shelby GT500, just to name a few. What this means for the enthusiast is that not only is the T56 Magnum incredibly robust, offering an amazing 700 pound-foot of torque capacity, but also that it's capable of providing a level of sophistication certain to transform the way your ride feels and drives. Featuring multiple shifter locations, dual speedometer pickups, and awesome power handling capabilities, the T56 Magnum is well suited to a wide variety of applications and able to withstand virtually any competition scenario. Furthermore, a choice of two unique double overdrive ratio packages ensures that no matter what application, cruising will be both easier on your engine as well as on your wallet. A world-class transmission in every respect, the all-new Tremec T56 Magnum is the aftermarket's most desirable 6-speed for enthusiasts who will accept nothing less. For more information, contact an authorized Tremec distributor or call 1-888-4-TREMEC. That's 1-888-4-TREMEC. Tremec Transmissions, technology in motion.